welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And armies, I'm gonna be reacting to an animation video that just dropped in the Bangtan TV channel. So this is Tiny Tan. Okay, Tiny Tan animation Dream On. A lot of you asked me to react to this particular video. I saw the thumbnail. It's an animation. It's basically their animation video. I didn't know what is Tiny Tan. What is Tiny Tan? I have no idea what this is because I thought they have BT21 as their animation thing. So is this a new thing that they have done? Dream On? What is it? What is it? Okay, we'll find out what it is. So yeah, let's react to Tiny Tan animation Dream On. This is the first time I am so clueless about what this thing is. Okay, let's start. But I got really intrigued looking at the thumbnail. I mean, they look so cute. The thumbnail picture is so cute. Okay, let's start armies. Tiny Tan. Wait. Oh, these are the mic drop costumes. Let me see if I can recognize. Oh, the one with the hat is my cutie pie brother, Cookie. Yes, the one with bandana. This one is Che. That's Namjoon. Jin. The white one was Jimin. This was Jimin. The blue hair is Yoongi, and this is Hobi. Yes. See? You know now how many times I would have watched Mic Drop. It's just etched in my mind. Okay. Oh my god, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. Big Hit IP. Big Hit IP? Oh, this is 0 o'clock playing? Okay, what is Big Hit IP? Wait, I'll start that again. Is it there? Is it the Tiny Tan part of the company? I'm sorry, I'm asking too many questions because I'm so clueless. Usually, now at least I feel whenever I go into a BTS reaction, I have some context. This is like completely unknown thing for me. Oh, look at the animation. Okay. Love the animation. Is this 0 o'clock MV sort of a thing? I'm sorry, armies, I'm really clueless. I'm really clueless. I know you guys will tell me, but oh wow. Okay. Classic Jin. Okay, there's too much going on. Armies, there's too much going on. It's firstly the way they entered. So this lady, whoever this girl is, I don't know who she is, but I'm guessing you guys will tell me. So she's because of course 0 o'clock is a song which gives you sort of hope. It tells you that even if you're having a bad day, you know, the clock turns 00 and you're gonna be happy. And I know the song is such a hopeful song. I love this song so much. Personally, this is such a big surprise, man. 0 o'clock, I never expected an MV for 0 o'clock. So, and a beautiful animated MV. Wow. Oh my god. And the way they enter. Wait. The animation is beautiful. So cute. No. Who is the animator, man? Oh my god. I'm gonna put them in my pocket and just. Okay. Jill does look so cute. And that's the whale. Whale is the big whale from Bullet Proof. Now this is a little fish, but I'm sure it'll turn into the whale. I knew it, Chalo. At least my guesswork is good. My guesswork is still good. Oh wow, yes, 0 o'clock. Trying to motivate this girl and trying to cheer her up. Oh wow. Oh wow, purple. I'm in tears. Oh my god, why am I? Oh my god, armies. This is so cute. Okay, everything is blurry in front of me now. Oh god. This is not okay. This is not okay. I started crying. I'm really dumb, na? Oh my god, I'm really okay. Now the tears are not stopping. Armies, the tears are not stopping. I'm gonna ruin my makeup. I think if I do this, I'll ruin my. Oh my god. I'm sorry. See, already the eyeliner has come on my hand. Why did I cry? Firstly, I cried because I know the meaning of the lyrics. And oh my god. I don't like this, okay? They just make me emotional. They just make me emotional. This is okay. 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 You all BTS, you all made me cry on a Sunday. BTS, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What do you say thank you in Korean? Huh? How do you say that? So, yeah, I'm calm now. I'm calm now. So, basically, this girl, maybe being a pianist is her dream, and she's not able to. She's doing maybe a regular job, or she's a student, or maybe she's not able to fulfill her dream, and she's getting depressed. And these guys are sort of coming in and motivating her that no, never lose hope. Today is a sad day, but next day, it's you're gonna be happy in future. So never lose that hope. I really like that. That really made me cry. Made me really cry. Firstly, I love this song so much. The animation is beautiful. Jungkook and Taeyang are sad and crying. Oh, you cuters. I love this animation. I love this animation again. Yeah, I'm very happy, but I'm also in tears. Again, my tears are coming. I just. Again, tears are coming, guys. Again, oh, there are more animation of that. Magic Toad, Tiny Tan Magic Toad. There are 3 videos of Tiny Tan. Should I watch them right now? Let's do a reaction right now. Can we? Armies, can we? Can I watch this and enjoy with you? Or maybe I'll watch it later, huh? Otherwise it'll become a very long video. It's okay, it's okay. I'll just watch it later. Let me shut this. Because I don't wanna get emotional again. I don't wanna cry. Already BTS has made me cry once. I loved it. I loved this animation. Whoever has done, let me see the credits. I hope they've put who the animator is. I just hope. Matte painting, production design, character design, yes. Yobin Yun and Hai Lim Chun. I am sure I've pronounced the names incorrectly, but oh wow. Wow, I love it. I love it. There's a lot of things: modeling, look development, animation leads. Oh yes, I'm so happy that they have given the credits. All of the people in the credits. I applaud all of them for making the concept. The director, who thought of this concept, everything. I love it. I mean, we are bulletproof. The Eternal, that made me cry. This made me cry. I don't know what is it with their animated videos that's just gonna make me cry. That's why, for a moment I wanted to react to the other 2 ones because there are in total 3 videos that I could see in Tiny Tan. So I'll do that. If you guys want me to react to the other 2, I will do that. Do let me know, armies. But before that, I want to know what is this Tiny Tan. So that the second Tiny Tan reaction that I do, I'll have some context, like who this girl is, what is it. I think that if there are 3 videos, there is a storyline. Then I'm sure there is a storyline because they don't do anything without having a proper storyline. So do let me know, armies. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. You guys know from the reaction. Yeah, I loved it so much. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction for today. Another emotional reaction, armies. I'm okay. I'm okay. I feel, even though I cried, I feel very happy because the song is very motivational and it's very calming and it's very hopeful. So yeah, that was my reaction, guys. Do subscribe to the channel if you have dropped in here for the first time, and if you are a K-pop lover, I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.